Alright guys, I'm experiencing some issues with my Xbox Series X and I'm trying to put Microsoft on blast right now because this is extremely frustrating for a brand new console. It's the top of the line Xbox Series X and it can't do a basic function such as loading a game. Something I've never experienced with my Xbox One. So here we go, we're starting it up. I'll sit down here. Alright. Loads up. This is starting from, and this is it starting from basic, completely off. It was working good for like the past month, and then just yesterday, I don't know what happened, but anytime I start Madden, any of these Xbox Series X games, you can see Gears of War 5 and Madden. When I start either one of them, yeah guys, so when I start, sorry about that, this is my controller. When I start try to start any of these Xbox Series X games, the whole thing just shuts off. Look at that, shuts off. I don't know what it is. There's nothing on any website explaining what it is. There's no error message. No one from Xbox could help me, and apparently I gotta take it in or send it in order to get it fixed or replaced. So this is a big failure for Microsoft Xbox. Disappointed.